Ready to ditch the keyboard and mouse for some sweet DualSense action on your PC or laptop? In this video, we'll walk you through connecting your PS5 controller to your PC or laptop using both a wired and Bluetooth connection, giving you total gaming flexibility. Let's start with the wired connection. Find a USB-C to USB-A or USB-C cable, depending on your PC or laptop's ports now. Simply plug the USB-C end of the cable into the controller and the USB-A or USB-C end into a USB port on your PC or laptop. Ensure the connection is secure, and voila! Your PC or laptop should recognize the controller right away. You might need to go into your game settings, but the wired connection is usually plug and play. Next, let's delve into the world of Bluetooth. First, put your controller into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button, which is the small button on the side of the touchpad, simultaneously until the light bar starts flashing. On your PC or laptop, go into your Bluetooth settings, which will show a list of devices you can pair with. Your system will begin to scan for devices in the Bluetooth settings. Select Add a device or a similar option. Once the scan completes, choose Wireless Controller or the name corresponding to your controller from the available devices. Your PC or laptop may ask for a pairing code or just connect automatically. Either way, once it connects successfully, your controller light bar will indicate it is paired. Your controller is now connected via Bluetooth. Check your game settings for the correct controller inputs. Now you're ready to experience your PC and laptop games with the comfort and features of your DualSense controller. Whether you prefer the wired reliability or the wireless freedom, the choice is yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.